where you should put your focus on. Okay, so this was in public preview last year, and in 2020 it was officially announced or launched. So this is our unified cloud security solution, and Security Hub, if you can see this, these are all the inputs, right, that Security Hub is receiving. So if you think about threats, it would be from GuardDuty, all the findings that GuardDuty is able to let you know, all those threats detected by GuardDuty at edge, compute, data layers, right, infrastructure level, all those threats. And then as vulnerabilities, there is a service that we have, it is called Amazon Inspector as vulnerabilities, or other type of vulnerabilities software that you're using. Then all those type of signals can also be used as in controls and compliance, tracked by AWS config. There is another security service, and also network exposure from VPC and CloudFront, okay, those signals. And then sensitive data discoveries from Macy that we looked at before. So all these diverse signals from different type of systems, okay, and different type of alerts are transformed through AI powered capabilities, okay, and then it will do that automated correlation. It will connect those related security signals across layers. Then you can have actionable insights. It will provide you clear next steps with remediation guidance. It will also let you know what are the prioritization, focusing on what matters most on actual threat potential. And then you can also create automated response, okay. You can streamlining remediation through for example with event bridge integration. And you can also do there is a native integration with for example a ServiceNow and with Jira, where you can actually let your corresponding security team if there is any kind of findings or automated response that your security team can start working on immediately, right? So this unified approach enables three key outcomes, okay. So it will let you prioritize and investigate critical risks efficiently. You will see complete attack sequences, not isolated alerts. Okay, with all these type of different signals or alerts that you are receiving, and then you can also monitor some security trends across your environment from edge. For example, if you look at our reference architecture from edge to data layer, and then you can respond at scale to protect your cloud infrastructure. So automated workflows reduce a manual effort. So I'm pretty sure you have been using Security Hub for a very long time. So there has been a huge change in Security Hub last year. So what you have been using until now, if you still haven't made the change, now it is called Security Hub CSPM. Okay, and Security Hub CSPM is actually now basically for posture management, findings, aggregation, compliance monitoring. So this is working exactly as before, but now in 2025, there is this new Security Hub. Now it is we call it Enhanced Security Hub to make a differentiation. So this is a new AI powered capabilities built on top. So you have all those automated correlations, smart prioritization, and also automated response like we saw before. So you have got now two Security Hub. I mean, it's a Security Hub CSPM and the Security Hub. Okay. But if you look at Security Hub CSPM, actually it has all these kind of data sources. So even from third-party data sources, okay. So you can, and even your custom findings, if you don't have an integration with third party and you want to actually feed in your custom findings, you can also do that to Security Hub CSPM. And then Security Hub CSPM can even integrate with Security Hub so that you can have that AI-powered capabilities that Security Hub is able to deliver. Okay, and here you can say you have those guard duty findings. You have Route 53 traffic. You have WAF detecting web attacks, Macy discovering sensitive data. So all those type of findings that we are talking about can be fed into Security of CSPM, and even from different and even from different other third-party tools. And then you can also have security checks or compliance checks, controls that you want to make sure that your AWS environment or infrastructure is compliant with or not. Okay, and as output, you have findings that can trigger automated response relevant to its security. For example, you can say, okay, a Lambda functions to update WAF rules to block malicious IPs. Okay, event bridge triggering CloudFront cache invalidations for compromised content, or notifications to your edge operations through Slack when critical edge threats are detected, right? So these are all automated response possibilities of how you can respond to any kind of findings in Security Hub CSPM. Okay, so as per the reference architecture, actually Security Hub would be the heart or the unified version of different from, let's say, from end to end, right, of your architecture. So on the previous slide you saw Security Hub CSPM. You can see that we have got a lot of data sources feeding inside Security Hub CSPM. So if you think about Security CSPM and all these findings from Security CSPM, you feed it into Security Hub, it is actually uh, providing a lot of security data related to your environment to Security Hub. And Security Hub builds on that CSPM foundation with AI powered capabilities. Okay, so it will be able to correlate findings across all your layers. So GuardDuty detects a malicious IP hitting your CloudFront distribution. And a compute layer, there is API calls from your Fargate task. Then you have Macie flag sensitive data being accessed in S3. So Security Hub AI will connect them, and this is a coordinated attack spanning your edge, compute, and data layers. Here's the complete attack path, the resources, etc., and what you can do, right? And then you can even do an automated response, event bridge, which invokes Lambda functions. You can update WAF rules, isolate compromised resources, restrict S3 access, all automatically. So um, you have option one, which is using a Security Hub CSPM plus Security Hub. Okay, and you can have those sorry, this is the remediation automated response, or you can even use another service that I'll be talking about later, that is Amazon Detective, which is very useful for investigation. Okay, so this will actually for complex attacks needing deeper analysis, you can hand off to detective for behavior graphs and timeline analysis to know actually the root cause of those attacks. Okay, and if you don't want to use Security Hub CSPM for any kind of other reasons, then you can actually use you can use a Security Hub independently with only the services like GuardDuty, Inspector, Macie. Okay, and you can use all those signals independently without using Security Hub CSPM. So it's optional. It's not mandatory to use Security Hub CSPM with Security Hub. So Amazon Detective, it investigates and analyzes security findings using machine learning, and it will automatically collect and organize data from your AWS resources. It will help you quickly understand the root cause, the scope and impact of potential security issues,